The capital adequacy of the bank stands at 10.46% under Basel III requirements, 177 crores, and the gross advances stand at 77,091 crores. That is a total business of 1,95,768 crores. Coming to the breakup, the CASA, which is an area of focus for the bank, as of 30th of June, stand 0.43%. The real estate, which includes the housing loan and indirect exposure to the real estate, stand at 17,214. NPA was down by 110 crores as compared to the corresponding period last year. The total expenditure went up by 20 period last year, came down to 31 crores. This is the main impact, that is 110 crores drop in the contribution from the plan to raise further capital during the current year. We already have the approval from our shareholders. We shall be raising to the extent of 600 crores under equity, moved from 1986 to 2069. That is an increase of 83 crores in the outstanding non-performing assets. The gross NPA as a percentage stands at 2.68. Net non-performing.
Vijaya Bank Board of Directors have approved the quarterly results for June 2014, and accordingly I would like to give you some of the highlights. The net profit of the bank has actually gone up by 21.89%, and the deposits grew by 12.63% to reach a level of 1,18,677 crores, and advances went up by 13.43% to reach a level of 77,091 crores. The interest income grew by 24.34%, and the total income went up by 18.19%. But what I would like to point out, the highlight, is we continue to maintain the asset quality. The gross non-performing assets of the bank were contained at 2.68%, and the net non-performing assets at 1.77%, with a provision coverage ratio of 64%. The CRAR, that is the capital adequacy requirement for the bank, the ratio stands at 10.46% under Basel III, that is adequately capitalized under Tier 1. The Board of Directors as well as the shareholders of the bank have also approved raising of further capital during the year. 600 crores of equity will be raised by the bank during the current year, and 500 crores of bonds will be issued under Tier 2. So both these 1,100 crores is expected to support the accelerated growth in the economy, and the Vijaya Bank is well prepared to take up the challenge in the current year. In the breakup of outstanding non-performing assets under educational loan, it is remaining almost flat. There has not been any significant deterioration in the portfolio, but at the same time, if you look at the growth in educational loan, our growth rate has been in double digits. We are extending educational loan to everybody. We don't see any significant deterioration in the quality under the segment.